Hi, my name's Chris from the Samsung training team, and in today's video, I get the pleasure of unboxing this, the Galaxy Book Go. So we're gonna have a look at this amazing product. This is a brand new addition to our Galaxy Book range. So let's see what's inside the box and get my first impression. So let's get to it then. First up, we have the box in front of me. So right here, we can see the Galaxy Book logo with the Galaxy Book Go at the bottom right there. So really quite a nice, simple looking box right there. On the sides, we've got the Samsung logo on the side there. Back, we've got a plain back. Other side, what have we got here? Galaxy Book Go written down there. And on the bottom, again, just a plain side right there. So I'm gonna get this open now. It's new, so let's get it open. There we go. Right, so I'm gonna turn this around so you can all see. And when we opened it, we're presented with the pamphlet, the information. We're just gonna pop that to one side right now. Here, we've got, let's have a look here. We've got the cable, so we're gonna open this up. Right here, we've got, again, the classic C2C Samsung cable. Got a nice texture on that cable grading as well. So really nice. Another massive shout for the Galaxy Book range, the fact that they are C2C chargers. So it means I can charge my Samsung Galaxy mobile phones, my tablets, whatever it might be with one charger. So put the cable to the side. And what else have we got in here? We've got the charging brick as well. Let's get this open. Now this is an interesting one. So we've got the charging brick there. Again, the Type-C for the cable. So we've got the super fast charging 25 watt. Now that looks almost identical to what I'd get from my mobile phone. And gone are the days of having a laptop with a big charging brick essentially. You no longer have to lug that around with you because you're just using that. So for portability, yeah, massive tick right there. Right, now let's get the main event out. So I'm gonna get rid of this cardboard and I'm gonna pop the box on the floor. And this is the Galaxy Book Go. First impressions, it's got a real nice weight to it there. Really quite light, feels really premium as well. And let's open this up if we can. There we go. There we go, so nice slim bezels there. So this is a 14-inch LCD display right there. We've got a really nice Samsung keyboard there as well. So the keyboard is actually spill resistant as well. So if you are using this in a coffee shop, let's say, and you accidentally spill your drink on there, you don't have to worry about that. The whole Galaxy Book Go is military grade tested. So being able to use it in extreme heats, and at the time of this recording, it is very hot at the moment as well. So a real nice premium look and feel to the Galaxy Book Go. But let's have a quick look at some of these ports then as well. So what have we got here? Right at the top, in the corner, we've got the Kensington lock. So if you are at that coffee shop, you can just get a quick lock to attach that to a chair while you go get another coffee or a toilet break or whatever you might be doing. So a nice little addition there. We do have the typical USB port there. We've also got a USB Type-C, which can double up as a display port on this side. As well, on this side, we've also got that SIM card tray. Now, this is a real important one because the Galaxy Book Go is LTE, meaning you can have that SIM card popped into this device. So no longer are you tethered down to having Wi-Fi connection. It's a Galaxy Book Go. This is designed to be on the go, and you can use it truly wherever you are with the LTE built in. So a really nice shout there. Now, on the other side, we've got the SD card. We've also got the headphone jack right there and a second USB Type-C port. Again, for either charging your device up or connecting, let's say, other devices to this amazing product. So a real premium real elegant looking Galaxy Book Go right here. There's it upright. Now let's just have a look at the profile of this. This is super portable, super slim. And there are some other really amazing design factors that I want to point out. Yes, when it's in 90-degree angle, we're getting completely flat to the table. If I push this back slightly, you'll see a slight elevation there, giving you that little bit elevation for typing away and texting away on your Galaxy Book Go. So really nice. But it doesn't stop there. Because of this amazing hinge, it does go all the way to 180 degrees. So you can have that completely flat, giving you the perfect option for any viewing angle you might possibly want to set that at. Whether you're sat at a desk doing a meeting, whether you're in bed watching Netflix, it has that amazing usability with the design on the Galaxy Book Go. We've got that front-facing webcam there as well for all of your video call needs. And we live in a world now where video calls are so important to so many people. We've got that built in conveniently for you on the Galaxy Book Go. So that is my first hands-on impression and unboxing. And do you know what? That is a beautiful, beautiful bit of kit right there. You've got the power, you've got the performance. And if we're talking about power and performance, it does come in two variations. You can get it in the 4 gig of RAM, and that is an amazing £399, which is ridiculous. It's the price of some mobile phones out there. And it also comes in an 8 gig variation as well, which is set at £499. So a really affordable price for an amazing Galaxy Book range. So that's it from me today. I'll see you on the next one.